learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And for this month, we got a theme here that you might be able to use very often, and that is wait a minute or wait a moment. OK， 有时候我们会说英文会说啊，请给我1分钟哈。但我们其实要教的是，请等一下。怎么说呢？
請等一下。
請等一下。OK， 請 means please， 等一下 that means wait a moment.
等一下。
等一下 OK， 請等一下。All right, so there are situations. Perhaps you call an office, a company, and you're asking for their boss. 有的时候我们可能会打电话去，可能是商家，也有可能是公司、行号等等哈，要找老板，对不对？然后那个接线生或者是这个同事接起来就说啊，请等一下哦，他可能在忙，或者是他在讲电话等等这样的状况，我们来教几个生字好了。
OK.
All right, Alice. The first one 就是先从那个老板来教好了。
大头。
The boss, your manager, OK, your supervisor. 老板怎么说？
挑家
啊，这好像有教过啊，以前去餐厅都会挑家。
挑家。
挑家。
那海陆腔的老板挑家。
All right， 如果你有海陆腔的老板，就要说
挑家。
Okay, that's a different dialect for a boss or supervisor. Then maybe he or she is on the phone. 他在讲电话了，对不对？那讲电话怎么说呢？
讲天发
啊，讲天发。被他拱而已啊！不要打电话哦，是讲电话。
对。
很有趣啊！中文叫打电话，感觉要打他啊，讲电话变拱，对不对 ？That means on the phone, speaking on the phone, and then maybe you just want to leave a message. 如果真的很忙的话，哦，老板很忙，就只好留话了。How do you say a message？ 留话。
答先。
答先哦，就是把它留下来的一段话。答先。Okay, let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases. 讲电话好了，就说，他在讲电话，请等一下。Okay, he's on the phone or she's on the phone. Please wait a moment.
基督嘅講天發。
基督嘅講天發。天發 again is 電話 all right?
請等一下。啊，
就是我們的主題。請等一下。
基督嘅講天發，請等一下。
基督嘅講天發，請等一下。All right, that means he or she is on the phone. Please wait a moment. This is very practical. 这非常实用。我们来蕊一下哈。
OK.
老板。
挑家。
挑家 the boss, all right? And then on the phone 講電話。
講天發。
講天發 and a message 留話。
答先。
答先 and it's all about wait a moment. 請等一下。
請等一下。
請等一下 and there you go. That's today's Practical Hakka.
是母太家。
按子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.